It's kind of cool. You could put this in your house and hang stuff on it. I'll pick that up when I come back. Oh yeah, I like that one. I like it. As crooked or weird or strange or different as it could be is what I look for. Someone's whole fence washed up. Made it over that thing. Aha. I think this is the creek that I can't cross anyway, so I went over that for nothing. I should have brought my little bait fishing pole. Gosh, why didn't I? It's probably where the catfish are too. This time of year. That is a cool one, but it weighs too much. It's too heavy. Soaking wet. I like the kind that dries out and looks like it's heavy, but weighs nothing in case you have to ship it or something. Because there's a lot of stuff that you make that you have to have straight pieces. There's a Christmas tree I know how to make. I'll show you guys. Onto these straight pieces so I can make these Christmas trees. You drill holes in them and you start out with that way, and then you do the next layer up. You have like a one of those, anyway, iron rod. I forget what they're called. That through there, and then you stagger these. They get a little bit smaller, and you stagger them. It makes a really cool Christmas tree. If anybody like to order one for Christmas, I'm getting ready to put them up on our store page that we're getting ready to start. Some people creeping up on me on their side by side, trying to see what I'm doing. This is really cool. Really cool. Once I treat it in an aquarium so the fish can swim through. It's a good one, but you have to take this off, and then you have to do a series of bleaches on it, especially this one. I usually have my four-wheeler for real, and if not, I usually have a little cart, and I have nothing. So I'm gonna try to carry some of it in my jacket.